People are the most important part of our business. That's why we work so hard to provide great service. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now.
Dr. Huntoon helped me make the connection to what was bothering me to how it was affecting me. After some discussion and an adjustment, I feel much better, and in hindsight, it seems so clear what was wrong. He adjusted my jaw and relieved tension there. It feels much better now.
Let us help you with our excellent service backed by our years of experience. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.